In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to confirm your phone number on Redbubble. Getting started with Redbubble is an exciting journey. Whether you're here to shop or sell, the first thing you want to ensure is that your account is secure and fully functional. Confirming your phone number is a crucial step in this process. It not only adds an extra layer of security to your account, but also makes the buying and selling experience smoother. First things first, let's navigate to the Redbubble website. You'll be greeted with a plethora of awesome products designed by independent artists. The creativity on display is nothing short of inspiring. But before we dive into this ocean of artistry, we need to log into our account. Click on the login button usually found at the top right corner of the home page. This will lead you to a simple login page where you'll enter your email and password. If you're a visual learner, you might notice screenshots accompanying these steps, making it easier to follow along. Type in your email address in the designated field. This is the one you used when you signed up for Redbubble. Following that, it's time to enter your password. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any unnecessary login issues. If you're someone who tends to forget passwords, it might be a good practice to keep a secure note or use a password manager. After entering your details, click on the Login button. Once you're successfully logged in, the world of Redbubble with its unique and independent art pieces will be at your fingertips again. Now it's time to head towards the nuts and bolts part of this process, confirming your phone number. Navigate your cursor to the profile icon located at the top right of the web page. This is your gateway to account settings and personalization options. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Account Settings from the list. This will bring you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Redbubble account. On the account settings page, look for the section or link named Edit Payment Details. This might appear straightforward, but it's an important step in ensuring that your financial transactions on Redbubble are secure. When you click on Edit Payment Details, you'll be taken to a page where, among other things, you can manage your phone number. This is the step where we focus on confirming your phone number. It's a simple yet significant action that ensures Redbubble can contact you or verify your identity when necessary. In the phone number section, you'll find the option to confirm your number. This might involve entering a code that Redbubble sends to your phone via text message or another verification method. Follow the instructions carefully to complete this process. It's not just about the security, it's also about making sure you're reachable for important updates or account recovery options. Confirming your phone number is a quick, straightforward process, but it's a critical step in safeguarding your account and ensuring a smooth operating experience on Redbubble. Whether you're here to discover unique artwork or showcase your own creative genius, keeping your account secure helps maintain the integrity of your buying or selling journey. Remember, in a world as interconnected as ours, a simple action like confirming a phone number can go a long way in protecting your online presence. Plus, it helps platforms like Redbubble keep their community safe and authentic. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. I hope it was helpful in guiding you through the process of confirming your phone number on Redbubble. Enjoy exploring all the incredible art, and who knows, maybe this will inspire you to create something amazing too. Happy Redbubbling!